Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, and I'm back with another video. Today we have a Supreme unboxing, well, unbagging. So I have a live cop video that'll be up obviously before this one, and got a little salty, a little mad in that video because the website was breaking, and I was not able to get the photo tee, but I did cop this tee, which is for sale, just like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the water gun hanging out in the back. Both of these things are for sale. So if you are interested in either of them, just DM me on Instagram. Instagram handle is right here. But we're gonna go ahead and just get right into it, show it off, and we're gonna be out of here. So I should be able to just rip. I'll show my address. Should be able to just rip right through this. Maybe not. There we go. That Supreme bag right in there. I feel like this would be a good thumbnail right there. Just nothing else in there. Wow, this Supreme bag is for a tee. This one's it's a little big, but go ahead. See the sticker? Yes, the sticker pack. Sticker pack is looking good, so I believe we got the cloud in purple, the regular box logo, and the photo tee one. And it also has it on the back. I'm hype about that one. So we got that, and then the tee at hand. I got the Dynamite tee in a large, in white. The summer tees are definitely better than the spring tees in my opinion. Especially this one, and obviously the photo tee. So I'm not gonna open this one as much as I want to open it. I am going to keep it in package. Dynamite tee, get that a little bit close up, size large in the white. Little Dynamite sticks right there with the matches. Dynamite tee, then all the stickers. There, we did it. So that's the best it's gonna get for now. I don't want to open it yet, but there it is. So anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below what you got last week, week 18, right? Yeah, week 18, and let me know what you got and what sticker packs you got. Anyway, guys, that's it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Everything will be in the description below. See you guys in the next video. That's it. Peace.